In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix weird spacing between words in Google Docs, whether you're drafting an important report, crafting a captivating story, or simply taking notes. Strange spacing issues can be quite distracting and can disrupt the flow and professionalism of your work. So, let's dive in and get that fix with a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open Google Docs. Head over to the Google Docs website in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. This will bring up your list of documents. If you already know which document is giving you trouble, locate it in your library of files. Once you've found the document where the spacing issues are occurring, click to open it. Now that you have the document open, identify the paragraphs that are exhibiting strange spacing. This could look like inconsistent gaps between words or lines that seem oddly stretched. Click directly into the paragraph you wish to modify. This is going to allow us to make precise adjustments and correct any alignment issues that might be causing the spacing to look off. Next, look towards the top of your Google Docs window. In the toolbar area, you'll find an option labeled Format. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal additional tools and settings. From this menu, navigate to the Align and Indent option. This is crucial because improper alignment is often a common culprit for unusual spacing. Once you've clicked on Align and Indent, you need to choose the Left Align option. This command will rearrange the text alignment from potentially justified or other alignments that can create unwanted spaces back to a flush left alignment, which typically resolves many odd spacing problems. Congratulations, you've now adjusted the alignment of your text. You should notice an immediate improvement in the appearance of the paragraph spacing. If necessary, repeat this process for any other paragraphs that might be displaying similar spacing issues within your document. Remember, consistently formatted documents not only look better, but are easier to read and more professional in presentation. It might seem like a small detail, but these adjustments can make a significant difference in how your document is perceived, whether amongst colleagues, clients, or for personal use. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that your documents now look as polished as you intended. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace. See you in the next video.